Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Steve Freeman coming at you live from Zombies Bar here in San Antonio, Texas. Tonight, we're going to be making you a delicious drink. I recommend you make this at home or come on into the bar and we'll make this one for you. We're going to be making you a strawberry mango rum punch drink. Okay guys, for the ingredients for this drink tonight, we're going to be using Bacardi Silver. We're going to be using Disaronno Amaretto. We're going to be using a strawberry puree. We're going to be using a mango puree. These are the ingredients for the drink tonight. Let's get to making that drink. All right guys, now to make our drink, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna fill up our glass with ice. Okay, now that we have that glass filled with ice, we're gonna take our tin, just like this. We're gonna put some ice in it. Okay, set this off to the side. Now, our first ingredient is 3/4 of an ounce of Bacardi Silver. Okay, put that over. We're going to follow that by 3/4 of an ounce of amaretto. Okay, now we're going to follow that by a 1/2 ounce of strawberry puree. Oh, that looks so good. We're going to follow that by a 1/2 ounce of mango puree. Okay, now slap this on. Now shake it up real good. Colder the better. Place our glass right here. Break this apart. Gonna want to use our strainer. We're gonna strain this into our glass, just like that. Oh, looks delicious. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna top this off with Sprite. That gives it some bubblies, makes it taste good. Garnish it with our straw. And there you have it, guys. That's the Zombie Bar Mango Strawberry Rum Punch. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed making the strawberry mango rum punch. It's delicious, believe me. Make this at home or the next time you come in the bar. I'd love to make this for you guys. I tell you what, until our next video, I'll see you then.